Do you know you can register your business by yourself without stress with just your smartphone, your business name, your company, without stress? So today we are going to discuss on how you can be able to register your business with your smartphone without stress. In 2 weeks or less, your CAC registration will be ready. So let's dive in. So the first thing you do is to log into your dashboard with either your username, your email, your phone number, or your accredited number. Here I'm logging in with my username. I can as well log in with my email. So now you put your password and then you log in. I am going to make a video on how you can create your own account. This account is basically for lectures. I'm just using it to make videos on how to make your registration. So we have different steps to it. We have the reservation, name reservation, and then the final incorporation, like that's the registration. So the first thing that you have to do is the name reservation, and you have the name and type, objective, preview, and payment. That's for the reservation, name reservation. That's the first thing that you will do. So here you now choose the classification. That's business name if it is trusted trustees. If it is for company, you put it there. So after that, please, you move on to your proposed names. So you have two options. So the first option is you put your business name. Remember, okay, I will make another video on how you can be able to search for your business name, or how you can choose your name in CAC so that they will not reject your proposed business name. So you put your business name. This one is just for lecture sake. It's not for registration proper. I just want to use it to make lectures. So you can choose to put another option, or you save and continue. Then you come down to the objective of your registration. The first thing is reason for availability search. That's the first thing. The reason is either change of name, holding, or new substitution, name substitution, or new incorporation. Since it is a new company that you want to register, it is new incorporation or registration. Okay, it is new because it is not for a change of name. It is a new incorporation, so that's what you choose. Then here you choose the nature of business. Is it manufacturing? Is it leather works? Is it, depending on what you want to do, okay, you find the category here. Is it manufacture of electrical equipment? Is it for fashion, for footwears, whatever? So you have to choose the specific nature of business here. Make sure that you choose the right thing that suits your business, because if you make a mistake here, they are going to query it, and querying it, you have to, after, if the name has been reserved already, you have to go and reserve another name. That's the change of name or substitution of name, before you can be able to change this specific nature of business. So here you now write the additional remarks. That's depending on the category of your business. So you have to excuse me, have to include the nature of your business, like other things that you'll be doing in your business. Okay, the production of paint, interior decoration, anything, footwears. So when you are done, you click save and continue. Save and continue. This is the preview. So it is going to give you a preview of everything that I have done. If there is correction, if there is something that I want to add, you just click it and go back and check it again before you continue. If you are good to go, you proceed to save and continue. And after this save and continue, the next thing is for payment. Okay, so you have come to payment, and then they'll give you the RRI number. So you can go to bank and make your payment, or you can pay through remitter, through bank transfer, or through your card. You can make your payments. So what you are paying is 500. Now, after your business name has been reserved, they are going to give you availability code. They will send it to your email. It will be on your email. So in your email, you will now see the availability code. So you can be able to copy it and go to the registration proper and paste it. Once you click it, they will show you where you put your code. If you put your code there, they will now give you that business name that they have reserved for you, and then you can you can continue your registration from there. So look at the highlight of what you want to do. So you fill it. So at this point, you have gotten to the last phase of your registration. So you provide all those informations there, just fill in those things, providing all the necessary details that is needed. After you have made all your details, feed them, the last thing is for you to make your payment. And once you make payment, you pay for the filing fee, and after the filing fee, you pay for stamp duty. The filing fee, depending on what you are registering, you pay 10,000 or 10,200 for that charges. And then you pay for the stamping fee. Most times the stamping fee is between 8,700, depending on if it is the shares. Let's say it's a company, and depending on the shares that you are paying for. So you are paying maybe 8,700, sometimes 4,000 something, 10,000, depending on what you are registering. Then after that, your CAC registration is over. So you now be waiting for them to approve it, maybe query it. When there is query, then you provide those information that is queried, or if it is approved, it means that your registration is over. So you just be waiting for your certificate. So I know with this step, I know you can be able to register your business. So if there is query, you can still know how you can be able to go about it. Then if there is you are facing any difficulty, you can contact me. Okay, so we know how you can be able to solve it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. God bless you.